have been making shapes with sparklers. My sparkly as well. No. I'm a baby. Oh! I'm a baby. What am I going to do? Wow. Sparkler. A sparkle green goblin. What if we turn? Green goblin! Daddy is obsessed with the green goblin. And yeah, he is. He absolutely loves the green goblin. He's literally like the most obsessionist. You absolute green goblin. Little baby one. Oh, here comes Green Goblin. These are shoes. They are muddy. Do you see the mud? These are mud. Let's look at the bottom. Let's look at the bottom of my shoes. They are very muddy. Bottom of my shoes. Very muddy. Let's look at the bottom of Mummy's shoes. Very muddy. Let's look at the bottom of Green Goblin's shoes. Not muddy. Very roboty. Very metal and cogs. We cannot see. It is a bit too blurry. Oh. I'm not. Oh. Green Goblin. Green Goblin! Hello. Look up. Green Goblin. Oh no. Mommy, the spots!
I lit two. There's only one bang.
So there's going to be a bangy when we do not know.
I got out again.
That was scary.
3 shots.
Yeah.
That is really rubbish. That is boring. That's not good. Whoa!
Oh my gosh!
Green Goblin. Okay, we are talking about Green Goblin today.
Another raining candle.
Roman! Green Goblin. It's just your nose.
Green Goblin.